The only solution that Nigeria government have right now is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to solve the problem that is happening in Nigeria. Ask me how. My people, I'm going to play you one video, and when you finish watching, just cool down and watch that video from beginning to end and hear what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu talk in that particular video. Everything that is happening today, it is not a new. We have heard it, everything. We heard it from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that is going to happen. And it's happening. Even give date, give time, tell you when to expect it, when that thing will start happening. And it's happening before our eyes. So the solution of Nigeria currently is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But Nigeria government, due to their ego, due to they want to show they have the power, they have the resources, they will not approach Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for a better solution right now before it's too late. My people, they say that the Fulani bandit, as they call them, they say these people don't enter Edo State. You know, when I see some Edo people sitting down on social media, start talking nonsense about the Igbos, about the Biafras, I start laughing at them. They are the ones they will face attack before they get to the Igbo land. And these people have already entered a place called Awuchi, Uromi, Bini, everywhere. They are there. The video circulating the internet today, that how they go carry two husband and wife, and whether they don't buy them now, nobody knows. So we go bring the video, come up, may you watch. My people, they say that the River State Security, Asari Dokuba Private Security, one of their leader don't come outside. I can't say they fully prepared. They wait for Fulani, may they come. I better watch the videos one after the other. Let us hear what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu talk first before we jump to other videos. Stay tuned.
The most hated person in the world is the person that speaks the truth. And people will not want to listen to the truth because they do not want their illusion destroyed. Mr. Speaker, dear colleagues, I think enough is enough. We need to address the main issue now. Where are we? The role of government in governance is to protect lives and property of the people and to provide welfare for the people. Mr. Speaker, we have failed woefully in all this. My other colleague here, Sununu, said over 70 people were killed. My dear colleague from Oyo State said over 50 people were killed. Somebody from Imo said their people are being killed. Go to the northeast, north central, northwest, southeast, southwest, south. Our people have been killed. What are we doing in government? It is important we address this, Mr. Speaker. Is it the time when we have fighter jets moving here and there that we will address this issue? Something has to be done, Mr. Speaker.
Support evil, evil will come back to haunt you. All of you never knew that IPOB and this Biafra movement was for your liberation. Some of you saw maybe the oil and gas from Biafra land. If they go now, we'll have access to oil and gas. In the process of having your eyes fixated on oil and gas, your forest is gone. Do you understand it? There is nothing more precious in life than freedom. Freedom is very important. And I need you to understand this very morning. Every Yoruba person supporting Fulani, you are setting up yourself to become like the Hausa people. Remember when Hausa was supporting Fulani? We are Hausa Fulani, we are Hausa Fulani. Where are the Hausa people today? I ask you. Where are those Hausa people today? Do you see them anymore? They're saying we are Hausa Fulani, we are Hausa Fulani. Do you see them again today? Do you see them? I'm asking you. No, because Fulani have completely overwhelmed them. It's called emasculation. Completely emasculated them. Look at what they're doing in the East. In the East, they come to the East, I will tell you, oh, you want to be the president or vice? Yeah. They say, give us land for Ruga. They give them land. I saw Joseph Okadu did that law, Banta. They have taken it over in forever and ever. Give us land in your state. Hope most of them are proof to us that you are our stooge. Give us land in Olo. Hope most of them will give them land in Olo. We can go and kill people in Obibo. We can kill for them. How many Fulani governors are prepared to kill bandits? I didn't say normal people. I'm talking about armed, dangerous bandits. How many Fulani governors? Go and read your newspapers, you will see it there. Fulani governors are negotiating with them, giving them arms, giving them vehicles, making sure that their life is no longer a misery. But see, they come down to the south. They tell you, give us land for Ruga. Go and kill your people to prove to us that you're one Nigerian. That was why Obi was talking rubbish. Was yesterday or 2 days ago. Supported by the BBC. The problem you people have in Nigeria is this. Your journalists, you see people, Punch newspaper, Tribune, Vanguard, and Nation, they are your second worst enemies. I'm telling you the truth. They can never ever be objective in their reportage. Never, ever, ever. That's why all of you are suffering. But you don't know it. They were the same people used to scuttle the NSAS protest. Of course, some of you went about looking for Indomie in warehouses. Typical black people. Any revolution that is coming now, you must stand very firm. They'll say, oh, you're Igbo. Oh, you're Yoruba. Oh, you're from Europe. Don't join them. It's our turn in 2023. If you do this, you will scuttle our chances of becoming the president in 2023. Ask yourself, all of them that have been president from time immemorial, what benefit has it brought to you as a human being? Absolutely nothing. So you have nothing to lose. Absolutely nothing to lose. You look at them now, how they have now descended on Yoruba people, asking them to concede, give us your forest, we must graze, we must do this, we must do that. And slowly before your eyes, they are giving in, they are capitulating, they are allowing them to, if you don't give it to us, Tinubu will not be president in 2023. Tinubu won't be the president. That's what I'm saying to you. And foolishly you will agree and hand over your land to them. And once they take your land over from you, look at Hausa. Because there is a saying where we come from. If you want to know what your life is going to become in the future, look at Hausa people. If you want to understand or appreciate, I will say, the life that you are about to bequeath to your children and grandchildren, look at Hausa people. Is there any Hausa governor today? Is there any Hausa emir? Is their land though? Katsina is Hausa land. Kanu is Hausa land. Sokoto is Hausa land. The Hausa people own it, indigenous to those areas. I'm asking you this question. Is there any Hausa man who's an emir in the north? The answer is no. The same thing is going to happen to you. If you don't rise up now to break, I'm not even asking people to break this rule. Demand for what rightfully belongs to you, your freedom. The freedom to decide. The freedom to write a constitution if you prefer. The freedom to live with whoever you want to live with. That is what we're asking for. But most people misunderstood what we are saying. And today, almost everything we have said about the zoo has come to pass. Everything we have told you, everything I told you has come to pass, hasn't it? Everything.
My wife get belly, they want to put her. I beg, no airport, no only 7 million from your fees. I beg, no airport. They say now 15 million is fine. No airports. I beg, no airports. I beg, my wife get belly. No airports. I beg.
Good morning, sir. This is where my brother and his wife were kidnapped last night. The both of them, around the hours of 7 to 8. He was coming back from town yesterday in his house when they kidnapped him and his wife. According to somebody that was at home, he said he saw Fulani men taking them inside the bush. So this is the bush that he saw them. So, sir, this is the environment. This is the bush where he was taken into. They took him and his wife last night. So this is the place. This is the place where we saw footprints. This is the place where we saw their footprints. Our younger brother that was at home yesterday, he saw them. So he was the one that called us. Before we got to the environment, they were already gone.
Say they don't enter Murubokoro, they don't enter Elelewon, they don't enter Woji, they don't enter Mukurishi, then they Moyimi, then they Oyibo, then they Soso place for this river state. As on they sleep for night, bandit, we will not go sleep. As bandit, they sleep. I don't tell all my boys, everywhere all my soldiers, we will not go sleep. As on they sleep for daytime, we will not go sleep. That thing we want to know, we know. But because we want peace, we want one Nigeria. We don't want run. On our peace, we don't know. We don't ready. This country in our own. We think we need good Nigeria, good river state, good government. This period, the bandits even need the fear. See how they share money for inside forest. They carry money where they pay for ransom for the kidnapping. See how they do video. See their latest phone. And I go tell me, say, uniform people don't fit track them. And I don't fit track them. And I don't fit find them. Now this side, and I go find us. Now this side, and I go get power. Now this side, and I go know our house. I will switch Chorobin. Ikwi Seraph. Make her laugh the Abusu laugh. God bless Abusu for me. And God bless Ikwi Seraph for me. God protect Abusu Chorobi. God protect the Ikwi of the Seraph. I am the Ikwi. God bless me.
My people, one Nigeria is a scam. The earlier the better everybody wake up and find where he belongs is better for us. Nigeria will never be when if like employ everybody to be a security. Number one is that the system was not created by us. Check all the whole nation in all over the world. The people come together and create a nation. But we never do so. It was imposed by us, by white man. So what make you think that Nigeria will ever work? You are dreaming, and you will keep dreaming. You will keep, since I was born, everything that I'm hearing about Nigeria, bad news is bigger than highest thing we hear. They win cup, they play cup here, Nigeria win this day. In tell me one good news I've heard about Nigeria is sorrow, pain, sorrow, pain. Person buy here, person buy here, person buy here, person buy here. Accident happened, this one, that one, that. Bad news. We need to come and create a country for ourselves and decide how our road will be, how our society will be. Everybody will be put into work to achieve that. Without that, we are joking and we keep joking. Our generation will pass. Another generation will come until they realize, yes, so na true. Sit down, make us sit down. We go there together, but we no go there together. No, we no go there together. Okay, go, may I go? Yes, we go there together, but look at my condition. See, anybody will cross this one, a problem. Everybody mind his business. Until we get to that point, Nigeria will never work. Take it or leave it. Share this video.